So guys, today I'm gonna show you how we're gonna get the points in our Singtel Dash and how we're gonna use it also. So we just open our Singtel Dash app, and this application might only apply here in Singapore. And here you can see my points, and they have a spin the wheel too. So you just click this one. So every time you have transaction in Singtel Dash, they will give you a free spin. They will give you some points too, and that is for you to use in some other way. So here I have free spin. They gave me one spin. Notice free spin earned on before February 15, 22 will expire on February 21. So it's already expired, so I cannot spin the wheel also. So this is the one thing that you need to remember, that every time you have transaction in Singtel Dash, please do also checking your spin the wheel if you have already. But it is not really a problem, because last time I have my point history here, how much I win in Dashtown price. So here, last time I spin my wheel, you just need not to wait until it expired. Here I have Dashtown prices, 150 and 1000. So it credited already in my account. And of course, we need to use it also before the expiry date. So here in this is my reward, and I'll show you how we use our Singtel Dash points. So for example, I need to use it in our travel, because here in travel, they'll give you some eligible company that you might use your Singtel Dash point. So here I have 5,306 points already, and I can get already $10 5,000 points here. So I just convert it. My points will convert into dollar already. And so this is very important that your points don't waste it until it expires, because you can use it into some other way. So now I will redeem it now for the Grab $10. It's very expensive here in Singapore, so it is very helpful for us to use our Singtel Dash points. And for me, as far as I observed, Singtel Dash point, they gave me a lot of points every time I purchase in their stores like NTUC and Fair Price stores. So I just need to redeem now, and when I redeem it, of course, it will credited into my account, and it will deducted also. You have 306 points left, but these 3,000 points already converted into dollar. So later on, if I need to do some travel using the Grab, I have a $10 discount or $10 voucher that I need to gain in there